Hi, baby. Whoa, whoa. That's a brown rainbow. Oh, there's some yellow in there, right? She likes yellow for some reason. No! Don't put it in your mouth. How about pink? Pink? You like pink? Oh, burp. Oh, balloons? Where are the balloons, Boo? What else? Patrick? Oh, circle! Circle! Exactly, right there. Where's the tree? Yeah, balloons right there. Cool. Excuse me, sit down. Sit down.